Hi guys, what's going on? Darren does here, and today we are doing a Futhead pack opening. So let's get straight into the video. So we started doing a pack opening and
it didn't work
because of the sound, but we got it working. So yeah, let's just go into next pack.
Quick fire pack.
Unless we get someone good, we're just gonna quick fire. Oh, that guy.
Got a purple.
And we're hoping for this video to be around 6-7 minutes long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that'd be nice.
Happy
No.
Dark Crowd. In FIFA 15, that was my first player.
Disappointing.
You're the one who told me to get him.
Yep.
So
We got Lacazette.
Oh, I love that pairing guy.
Perrin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry.
That was a really bad pass.
What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? We get an
Inform.
Inform and the blue-haired Torre. Oh shit.
Torres. Not Torre.
Oh, I thought it was Torre. I call him Torre.
Oh, 3 informed.
Three.
Inform on the
Ginter.
top shelf.
We got.
is the best here.
Yeah, but like, it's not the best
It's not the best.
Informed.
In the last, it was such a shame because in the last pack
We got like a legend
we
and
got purple
Lewandowski and a legend.
Just one.
Casemiro. We got Casemiro there, which is really not good. Who are we gonna get?
here.
Yeah.
Kagawa.
Can go what?
It's sorry for it's like it's hard to. It's taken ages to skip, but the thing is.
I
skipped!
Oh my god, Darren, you
I
just
skipped! Oh, we got Roberto Carlos.
Right, we got proof. Hopefully
it actually comes out in the video. Darren, you should. Now wait until it comes up.
Oh, you idiot.
Two informed.
Oh, why,
Darren does not know. Another legend! Such a.
That's two legends.
Right, just
two legends.
wait. How much hype? How much hype?
I don't know.
6,000. I think probably.
Oh,
Come on.
we got
Barkley.
We got-
He thinks he's class.
Barkley.
Yeah.
Another informed. We're getting a lot of informed, but they're not.
Yeah,
great.
they're all really bad. Like, why can we not get the like Ronaldo?
Oh my god!
I said, why can we not get Ronaldo? And I just got Ronaldo. Oh my god! What are you saying? What?
That was so funny.
What?
Shut up.
And just how he said, and we, to be honest, we did not see that at all. He says, if only we got Ronaldo, and we get purple Ronaldo.
And we're not just waiting for the good packs to come.
God.
That'll take.
That would take that. Then the video would be like much shorter.
Oh my.
Oh my god, this
39
Hi.
times.
two legends and purple Ronaldo. Koscielny, informed Koscielny, that's bad. I mean, that's good.
I can't believe I can't believe that actually
We just
happened.
packed. Oh, this pack one's better than the last one.
Oh, we got another one.
Hopefully we can
Another
get more players.
Oh, who are we gonna get?
Like legend.
Oh, another informed.
Actually, we got like no,
We
like
want to
Neuer.
get like a really good legend.
I want to get like another one. I know
Oh,
That's
informed
actually-
and
we got him like 3 times that
a
purple.
hero. A hero.
The hero, yeah.
Oh,
Diego
Silva.
Silva.
Two informs.
Silva, Silva.
Not bad.
If we get hold it.
Another two. Oh,
Oh,
this guy. That the
we got him already.
Gidina. I don't know how to say his name, but we before in the last one we packed him about 3 times.
We're getting sick of him.
Why can't he just leave?
We're packing all the purples like the same purple.
Oh, I can't believe we just
Got
got.
Ronaldo and the
And
way.
how you just said it before.
I'm a fortune teller.
I wish we. Yeah, you are.
That's what she said. Oh, here.
Oh, I think the packs are kind of going downhill a bit.
Ever since we got that Ronaldo,
I think they're just.
if we
being
get Messi,
mean.
Oh, Balassi.
Oh, imagine if we just got Messi after you saying it. Messi, go on.
Messi.
Messi.
Oh, we got Chris. We got him in the last one like 3
I
times.
know we're only Messing.
Where's the Messine?
Messi is versus Messi.
Oh, stop messing down.
If we get Messi, I swear. How do we get 2 legends and Ronaldo?
Oh, we're just class. But we're not doing great now. Oh,
we
it's
got
him
him
again.
again.
Oh, just leave.
Get a life.
If you want to play this yourself, the link will be in the description.
Yeah,
Oh, Hazard.
Hazard, yeah.
Hazard.
Hazard.
He's doing rubbish this season.
Yeah, oh
And
my
guys,
god.
if you wanna be doing this yourself, FIFA 16 Futhead pack opening, link in description. You don't even have to look it up here. Lazy articles. Just go on this. Little shite pack.
Do it after the
Go in the
video.
description and there'll be a link.
And you just click into it and you can do it yourself.
And the recorder we're using is
Snag it.
Snagit.
We got
No one.
Darren.
No one. Oh, we got no one good.
I know, yeah.
Oh, Ramsey.
That's still not great.
Yeah. It's okay.
This is a...
We'll try and end the video on a good pack.
Yeah.
Oh.
No,
Get a life. Just get a life
We
in.
can't end
First
it here.
hole.
Let's see, will we get anyone in this
No.
pack?
Oh, so...
No.
The best player
Is this going
was-
down?
Yeah, it's going down,
It went
down,
from up
down,
to
and
down.
4 in the morning.
Like, it went from
Oh,
2
Keep going
legends
up, down,
and
up, down.
and
Who's
purple
not going up
and
again?
Hero Ronaldo to like stuff.
Oh, Chikaglu. He's good.
He's good free kicks, yeah.
oh, come on.
Chamberlain.
Please just give us some good players.
Well, they got loads.
Yeah, but to end the
You
video,
only got 3.
I hear. Please.
Oh, I thought I went white and then I thought it was a legend.
Why are they not giving us any more good players? Like,
Because they got loads.
I guess when you get
Ugh.
No, wait, don't really want to end it on the 80 hero.
no one really does.
Oh.
Hurdle, get a life. Hurdle.
We need to get some.
No,
Remy, look at his
Just do
haircut.
fast packs. But we need
quick
some
fire
players.
packs.
But make sure like we don't skip like we done the last time.
Yeah, with Roberto
With
Carlos.
Roberto.
What you did?
You.
You're up. Skip.
Oh, Lord, please.
Oh,
Oh, we just ended here. Guys, I think we ran out of time. So,
Yeah.
guys,
That's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!
peace.